So date functions, they are important. Suppose you are doing some calculations and you want to do some edging. You can use a number of date functions. For example, you want today's date. You just say today. Sorry, today. And you close your brackets. It gives you the day today. 2025 1104. If you want the now, so now it gives you the date time. Okay, maybe people are doing data capturing. You may use the now function to get the today's date time. Then we have date parts as well. Vanessa Budagam. Right. Suppose you want to extract maybe the day. So the day, you say day. Vanessa, sorry, Buda.
Yeah, and then I receive a call.
Okay. So I was explaining these date functions. If you want today's date, you just use the formula today, like this, to give you the date of today. If you need the date time now, you use the now function.
Okay.
Right? Then if you need the date parts, suppose you just need to extract only the day from this date. So you say day of this, and it's okay. So it's 11/04/2025. So it's 4 November. And you can even do the same here, equals to day of this, you get 4 November. So it's important. Maybe you are doing analysis where you want to group by day or something. Then if you want to extract the month, equals to month of this. So this one, it gives you the month in what? In as a number. So this is month 11, this is month 10. The same for year. You just come here and say year of this. It gives you what? 2025. Something like this. So these are date parts. Then maybe arithmetic, date and time differences. We have your start date and end date, and you want the difference. You can use the formula days. So you'd say equals to days, end date, you pick this, then the start date, you pick this. If you reverse, you have a negative number. End date 2025. Okay, it's the opposite, because end date is this one, then the start date is this one. So it's what? It's 11. It's 11 days. And you can even drag this. It's 440 days from 2017, July 27 up to now, 440 days. Up to 2018, 1010. And I think you can also just do this minus this. You get the same. Just to subtract, if there are dates, if you just use a subtraction sign, you get the same answer. Okay. So in hours, I don't think this is important. There is also formula DATEDIF. So this one, in my Excel, I don't have DATEDIF, date difference. But in some versions of Excel, you may have it. But it's working, but on my formulas, I don't have it. So you say DATEDIF, the start date and the end date, then the interval that you are using, either date, month, or year, you get the difference. That's the highlight. So I have this data set on date functions new. Suppose you have that data set for employees where you have the date of birth, the hire date, the last training date, and the next review date, right? Or you can even say this is the hire date, maybe this is the date that the person has left or something. So these ones I explained. But another formula that is important is, suppose you are doing aging analysis for loans or something, you want to see the end of month for that date. For example, you want to see the next review date is 15 March 2025. But what is the end of month for that date? Or you would want to standardize kuti chinhu chese chaka disbase for that month or chaka chine start date that month. It should take the last date of the month. So you say here EOM, which stands for end of month. Then you click this one and enter. Sorry, there's an argument that you should put months. If you need the end of month for that month, you put 0. So it will give you the date as a number, and you need to format it as what? As a short date. So you will see that 2025 0315, the end of month for that is 31 March. The same year, 10 January, the end of month is 31. 5 June, the end of month is 30 June. Something like that. 30
But
May.
why does have 0?
0, which means we need the current. We are not moving steps ahead. If you put 1 year to give you the end of month for the next month.
All right, the current month 0,
yes.
all right.
Yes. So this is important, especially when you are doing some calculation. This formula, I think I use it almost on every analysis, because you would want to standardize your data. Okay. What other formula? Right, the text that I was talking about. This one. Right. So if you come here, like I have explained, to say, if you are using date parts, if you say you need month for this date, it will give you as a number. Okay, I need to format this as a number. Right, it's giving me 3, which is March, and 1, which is January, and 6, which is June, 5, which is May. But I need maybe a number, maybe as a 3-letter number or a full letter. So if I want that, I use a formula in the text. So for text, I'll say equals to text. I want to convert maybe this one into a text, but the text that I want, if you want a text for a month, you come here and open brackets. If you need maybe in 2, you are given a 03. Okay, 03, which is March. Suppose I need my month. Sorry. I need my month is a 3-letter word. I'll come here and say M in small and close. So I'll have my month like this in 3 format. So if I need it in full, I'll just add an M here, or 4. It will come as a full month. Suppose you want to analyze at month level, not at date. So you just do this. So the text function is important. If you want it as a day or a year, where you are putting here, you use year, YR4. Anokupachi, the year in full. Are we still together?
Yes, we are together.
That's fine. So that's it on text. DATEDIF, I've said you can try it. On mine, it's not there. Data arithmetic, you can do. Then on troubleshooting, when you see these ones, it means your column is too narrow. So like this, if I do this, which means you have to increase your column. It's too narrow. This one, it means the text entered instead of date. Then this is the summary of the formulas that you can use. So for dates, we don't have many formulas, but you should get hold of this because they are important. You should master it. But for dates, it's simple stuff. But the text function, end of month, and the date parts, you should get familiar with them because they help you to do some calculations. Whether you are doing aging, loan aging, etc. Then I think we can move to another concept as well.